Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with the AULA F99 wireless mechanical keyboard, a versatile powerhouse designed for both work and play. This contemporary keyboard offers tri-mode connectivity, allowing seamless switching between Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, supporting up to 5 devices simultaneously. Its hot-swappable design lets you customize your typing experience with ease, featuring pre-lubed linear switches for smooth, responsive keystrokes and a satisfying sound. The F99's RGB backlighting brings your setup to life with 16 dynamic effects and 16.8 million color options, while its gasket structure and PCB single-key slotting ensure a softer, more stable feel. With PBT keycaps and an impressive 8000 mAh battery, this compact 99-key layout saves space without sacrificing functionality, making it perfect for gamers and professionals alike. So, whether you're battling it out in a fast-paced game or tackling a demanding work project, the AULA F99 is your go-to keyboard for an exceptional typing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.